description.
Well, hello again. This is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today we've got Buldak Cream Carbonara. Notice here says spicy ramen, and then in smaller print, artificial spicy chicken flavor. It's getting smaller. Thank you. Why do I say thank you? I'll tell you in a minute. Noodles. 5 minutes. So yeah, why am I saying thank you about this? Well, a lot of people are of the persuasion that they think that this is chicken flavored noodles, and they are not. This stuff is the flavor of the sauce you put on Korean barbecue chicken. Okay? So that's like saying Kraft barbecue sauce tastes like beef, or Kraft barbecue sauce tastes like chicken, you know, or pork. It doesn't. It's something you add on to it. And that's the whole idea of Buldak. Okay? But people have been, it's chicken flavor. No, it does not taste like chicken. Come on. Your taste buds are jacked up if you think this stuff tastes like chicken. What I think would be interesting is if they did come out with a chicken flavored one. Boy, that'd throw a lot of people I've talked to in the past for a loop. But there's artificial chicken flavor seasoning in it. It's like, yes, there is, but that's not really the deal. So, I used to talk to these guys all the time. And then I think they got a PR team, and that kind of ended my ability to talk to them. I used to talk to the R&D people for Buldak. Really nice people. But as with all the companies, all that stuff just kind of went behind a firewall, and I don't know why. It's sad. So another thing that'll make some people angry is, according to the directions, you cook this for 5 minutes, and then you drain it, saving a half cup of liquid. And then you add that back in, and then you add in the powder and the soup, or the sauce. They're like, it's not supposed to be that soupy. It's like, no, it's saucy. It used to, I mean, this one, I would have expected it would say, okay, return it, and then cook it for like 45 seconds. That's what they used to say. But no, not on this one. And it makes more sense, because don't you like things not to be like bone dry? Some people are just so in it for the spicy element that they get really obfuscated by that. Flavor doesn't matter. It's just about the heat, folks. Yeah. Meh. I've had instant noodles, actually from New Zealand, that'll make your toes curl and you'll die. I swear to God. Cully's, world's hottest ramen, and I've given people boxes of that stuff. And just cook it up and try one bite. They won't even do that. They're so freaked out about it. Granted, I don't think there's a lot of people that are like, oh yeah, that's my favorite. I'd eat that every day, dude. Every day I eat the Cullies. It's like, yeah? I just don't see it. So right now, it's the hottest day of the year. I believe it's in the, maybe it's hit 90 degrees by now. And we have a garbage strike. Yep. And I won't be surprised if all of a sudden the power flickers. It's that kind of stuff you gotta love about living in beautiful downtown Kenmore, Washington, folks. Where the motto is, courtesy is contagious, and I swear a lot of the time you'll find it treated like COVID or a plague or something. Yeah. And what else? Yeah, so we got that. But yeah. Wow, I'm starting to feel a little bit better than I did earlier. I felt really crummy earlier. I guess I just need to have a little bit of ramen. That kind of like perks me up. I guess. That seems a little disturbing. But we'll see. I've been very, very like hitting the head, bonked, sent down the horrible road of unhappiness by, I've been ill. Quite ill. Yeah. Not fun. Especially when my son's got summer school and I'm really planning on doing a lot of walking with my daughter. We got 2 days in and that was that. Like the third day is when I started feeling crummy, and that really was that. But there's still the rest of this week and next week, so we'll see what's going on. So this is what it says to do on the package. You save a half a cup of water and you pour it in. See? It says it on the package. It's not I'm not steering you wrong. If you don't want to do that, I don't give a rat's ass. Go ahead. Don't do that. It's going to make it less spicy, dude. Yeah, no, not really. It's going to make it tastier, I think. Oh. But it's what it tells me to do, and I do what it says, no matter what. If there's a little bit of play in there, like the last one I did, it said cook for 3 to 4 minutes. If I think it's pretty much done, like the last one definitely was ready, 30 seconds more might have killed it. So I did it for 3 minutes and 30 seconds. See? Simple. But I stayed within the rules of the package. Now, when I did the Korean version of this way back, how far back was that really? Maybe a year or two ago. I think my buddy the Fat Hipster sent me that one. And it's all in Korean. So I didn't know about this way of doing it without just draining it on this one. This one with the English instructions, yeah. What's funny too is the packaging has changed since they first introduced it here in the US. It's like that artificial chicken, spicy chicken changed. It used to be more prominent, now it's less so. I have a feeling eventually they're just going to phase that out. They'll just have Hochi. I mean, it's not like anybody's going to understand or take the time to understand. This is the United States, but you know. All right. Cheers. Nice little bit of heat. Not extremely strong. Definitely has that Buldakian element. Very creamy. Very creamy. You know what variety of Buldak I haven't had in forever, and I'm really tempted to try it again. I don't know if they've changed it or not, but they're, do I want to put it in this or something flatter? What else am I adding? I'm adding that and that. I'm going to go with this. But the cheese Buldak, because I remember the cheese Buldak before was just like the original, which is like the tiniest amount of cheese sauce powder. And it certainly wasn't enough to make you go, hey, that's cheesy. Right? This carbonara, here's some pork. And since it's spicy, let's burn it. Oh, no, no, no. I want you to go that way and then stop. All right. Oh, cool. I can't believe I made it through my stuff. This morning, I could never have done it, but it's all worked out. So many people I've told over the years, when you don't feel well, the best thing you can do for yourself and for your country is enjoy some ramen. And it's true. I feel like way better after enjoying some ramen. That's just not right, Ramen Raider. Well, I don't care. This is really good. There's that. It's a spicy. I think I'm going to add in some of this pepper thread. That seems reasonable. I want to make sure it's just perfectly aligned. That should be pretty good. Here you go, Rotato. Alright, so I've got a question for you guys. Maybe you can answer it for me. So, at the end of the show, often, like just happened, I'll start doing the dishes, getting the stuff out. And while you watch it rotate. Well, do you like that or not? I mean, I'm not going to get rid of the rotating thing. I could definitely make it shorter. But let me know. I mean, if you want me to do it, cool. If you don't, then I won't. So, there you go. Anyways, the next one you're going to see, I'll be doing tomorrow. But I got these samples of this stuff from Ramen Aid, ramen-aid.com. And one, they're things you add into your ramen. Yeah, they're supplements. And it's literally to make your ramen have more vitamin vegemin. So, yeah, that'll be on the next episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye-bye.